civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Carson City NV, Washoe NV, Esmeralda NV, Mineral NV, Story NV, Lyon NV, and Douglas NV, beginning at 2:24 p.m. Saturday, July 6th and ending at 2:24 p.m. Sunday, July 7th. The Nevada State Police is requesting activation of the emergency Amber Alert system for confirmed abducted children. Please be on lookout for a 2005 Honda Accord, Virginia license L A8014. First victim Vincent Martinez is a Hispanic male, 14 years of age. He is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 192 pounds with black curly hair, hazel eyes. Second victim Emiliano Martinez is a Hispanic Native American male, 13 years of age. He is 6 feet tall, weighing 150 pounds with black curly hair and green eyes. The suspect is unknown Caucasian male. Possibly 6 feet 4 inches tall, thick-set with shaved head. Date of incident is July 6, 2013, at 11:52 a.m., at 8995 La Posada Drive in Spanish Springs, Nevada. Incident information: victims were inside of the vehicle with ignition on when mother exited the vehicle. The suspect approached the mother and proceeded to violently assault her, requiring immediate medical attention before stealing the vehicle with both of the children inside. Suspect is armed with multiple weapons and handguns. Last known location is Carson City, Nevada, possibly traveling southbound.